50 years of wind and rain have created a strong mechanical enterprise. After 50 years of hard work, an excellent brand has been achieved. In 2010, Anyang Machinery conducted the transformation and upgrading and was integrated into China United Equipment Group Corporation officially. Anyang Machinery with China United Equipment Group Corporation was merged into China National Building Materials Group, which is affiliated to the State-Owned Asset Supervision and Administration Commission of the State Council and also the world's top 500. In the new era, forging ahead without fear of hardships, Anyang Machinery becomes a new type of machinery and equipment manufacturing base for pulp and paper equipment, wind power equipment, environmental protection equipment, facility agriculture, and pressure vessels. We concentrate on R&D, endowing new vitality to steel products to ensure the accuracy and reliability of the equipment, such as plasma cutting machine, laser cutting machine, 120 by 40 CNC floor boring and milling machine, CNC double column 10-meter vertical lathe, double linkage 12-meter CNC bending machine, etc. We make automated production lines smart, shorten the processes, increase the efficiency, and reduce the emission. Our professional team has sophisticated technology. We have our own product design and development center, Anyang Engineering Technology Research Center, and Provincial Technology Center. Dedicating on the way of market-oriented and customer-centric, we persist on the developing way and never stop. Our main products for pulp and paper equipment series are batch cooking equipment, continuous cooking equipment, washing and bleaching equipment, gravity disc thickener, multi-disc filter, APMP chemical mechanical pulping equipment, pulping production line of 30,000 to 50,000 tons of new straw pulping equipment. Products for wind power equipment series are new energy industry wind power towers and pre-applied foundations. Products for environmental protection equipment series are biochemical machines, press pulpers, and agricultural facility steel structures. With rich project experience and professional manufacturing capabilities, Anyang Machinery has been committed to the production and manufacture of large-scale steel structures in power and energy industry since 2012, which can meet various manufacturing requirements for pressure vessel. Anyang Machinery is now the only state-owned pulp and paper equipment enterprise which is developing in a prosperous way in China. Based in central China, our products are sold all over the country and as well as many other countries in the world. Our super batch cooking system produced accounts for more than 90% of the market share, and its production and sales are in the forefront of the industry. Our vacuum disc filters occupy nearly 70% of the domestic market share. Our conveying screws and large pulp tanks and towers split are always the first choice for famous paper companies and chemical companies. Anyang Machinery insists on controlling every process from materials to finished products strictly and excellently. We developed a complete quality management, environmental management, and occupational health and safety management system, possessing with the second-level enterprise qualification of safety production standardization. The quality of our products always maintains the leading level in the domestic industry. We have more than 50 patents, including 9 invention patents, and 1 expert who enjoys the allowance of the State Council. We possess qualifications for D-pressure vessels design and on-site manufacturing qualifications for Class 1, 2, and 3 class, welding technical strength of non-ferrous metals such as aluminum, composite plate, dual-phase steel, titanium, nickel, Incong 600, as well as qualification for Special Equipment Welder Certification Examination. During the rapid development in the new era, Anyang Machinery has made great achievements. We have won many honors of national level, such as National High-Tech Enterprise, Top 50 Enterprise, Advanced Enterprise of Science and Technology Innovation, National Excellent Supplier of Wind Power, and Advanced Collective of State-Owned Asset Supervision and Administration Commission.
我们安阳机械从事造纸制浆装备60多年了，我们要加大研发的力度，为国内造纸装备提供一个发展平台，响应习总书记提出的 碳达峰、碳中和，为国家绿色发展做出企业应有的贡献。
Over the past 50 years, we've been dedicated to creating and researching, contributed for the great rejuvenation of the Chinese nation, and for the development of the national paper industry and chemical industry. Facing to the future, Anyang Machinery, standing at a new starting point, will always adhere to the overall leadership of the party and strengthen it, and strive to build a manufacturing base for pulp and paper base and a wind power generation in central China. Adapting to the national dual carbon policy, we will commit to the R&D and manufacturing for equipment of environmental protection, and we will strive for becoming the backbone of national machinery manufacturing and becoming a century-old enterprise.